It's like taking your family to a park on a Sunday afternoon. You get that same kind of home feel when you come to a track like Hallett. Not the biggest track, not the most fancy of facilities, but there's a certain kind of atmosphere, a vibe that you get. It's very inviting. Here they come down towards turn one.
There's specialness here. We're not, the big famous tracks.
I think we're famous.
Green flag in the air, 32 cars flying down to turn one at Hallett.
Today, most racetracks are owned by corporations. Big names, sponsors, bottom lines. But here in Oklahoma, this track is still owned by family.
It's been a passion project for us. We don't claim to be a pro track. This is grassroots.
And Kenny Holton now for number 3/4 of a lap.
Meet Scott Stevens. His family doesn't just work the track, they're the ones behind it all.
Drag race down to the line. Who's it gonna be?
My father's a privateer racer. He was the last man standing, top salesman in his company for 10 years in a row. And the racetrack came about because he just was so nervous about his job, he couldn't think straight. I remember sitting with him and he basically said, we're gonna start a landscaping company or a driver's school. And we had been doing yards work for a long time and we're like, we'd rather do a driver's school. My dad signed the lease not knowing
What he's getting into.
Didn't know a damn thing about it.
Running events.
Yeah. And quickly learned.
And here comes our Formula F cars.
My dad's still alive. With my brother in our side of the business, my mom and dad on the other side of the business were 50-50 in the track. But I took the role of manager
And I took over for his mother when she decided to retire. I worked more hours than I did before, which I don't know how, but it just doesn't feel like work.
the t-shirts would suck if I was making them. They'd be awful.
I have my anniversary shirt on. That's Hallett Gold, shimmers in the sun. We're told we have the best swag of any track.
She always finds great deals. I'm like, why did you buy 600 hoodies in July? She's like, well, because they were last year's leftovers and they were on sale. Okay, makes sense to me.
Gray? Like this gray?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll make sure I get that color.
Go. Evans on the inside. Wallace is going to try to make that move around the outside. Let's see if we can now pick up our leaders in Spec Miata.
2005 was the first ever sold out season for Hallett Motor Racing Circuit. And then from then, we actually made money and were able to start reinvesting. When we took over, it was not in great shape. Everything but the racetrack, the false grid, and the hot pit lane was gravel. You could just walk out to the edge of the track and take a picture before. Do you put an AED on every corner station? Nope, can't afford to do that. And so we moved tire walls back. And we're soft walled all the way around. They hit the wall, you pull them back out, they're racing again.
Green flag, starter has it in the air. We are back to racing here with 19 minutes and 20 seconds to go.
$600,000 into a tunnel, $300,000 or $400,000 into all brand new fence and gates, $800,000 repave.
Such a fun little, very classic road course.
It is hilly, bumpy, and it's got character, both the people and the racetrack.
It's a different group every weekend. There's a group of guys back here. Most of them have very high-stress jobs. This is how they get together and talk cars.
Are you fast? You should be really fast.
I'm not spec racer Ford fast, and that bothers me.
True passion. If you want to do it, you'll find a way. We have our own series that helps people get started, and if that means buying an old beater pickup truck and an open trailer, well, that's what it takes to get there the first, couple of years. That's what you do.
Rise and shine, it's racing time at Hallett.
There's a chicken song. Ray Stevens and the Hen House 5 plays it through the PA system and wakes up all the campers. Been a tradition since the mid-'80s when my dad started it.
We're glad you're here. Finish Line Cafe open, serving breakfast, first floor of the tower.
Actually showed up early today just to hear the wake-up call. I won't do that again tomorrow because it's 7 a.m.
The kids love it. A couple friends of mine just really, really hate it. When I redid the fence, I decided to embrace it.
Sometimes the chicken goes with the worker that's usually at that station a little bit.
Yeah, if there's a station with the gate by it, then there might be a chicken that looks like the worker. We thought that was a little bit more fun. You know, those are the little chickens. It's kind of hard to find the big chickens that are representatives.
Right.
Good morning and welcome to Hallett Motor Racing Circuit. Beautiful Jennings, Oklahoma for the Hoosier Racing Tire SCCA Super Tour as we get ready for qualifying number 1.
Event weekends, it's all about reacting to whatever happens.
First race of the day, Spec Racer 4-3.
The well's down. There's no water at the racetrack. Timing and scoring's not working. Ambulance won't start. Water pump froze and broke. On this, he needs help putting the bars on. All the things that can go wrong that I'm responsible for to make sure that they're ready to go in the morning.
They're going to come down to the start-finish line. Let's see if the starter likes what he sees, and he does. Green flag in the air. 32 cars flying down to turn 1 at Hallett.
Trying to break the draft, weaving down the back straightaway.
Good move for him and a good first lap.
Feels like a big kart track, a real driver's track.
There's such good battles between these two all weekend long.
It's only 1.8 miles, but a race is a lot bigger than that. You got to bring your skill and your hurry to do well at this track.
Oh, a spinner there.
You're constantly left or right here, not many straights. That keeps it exciting.
4 corners to go to see who's going to win V-Spec. Will there be a move for the lead here?
Probably turn 9 is one of the more famous ones. Car gets light coming in. It's one of my favorites.
It's going to be a drag race down to the line. Who's going to get it? Right now, it looks like Taylor is there. Corley in second, Carter in third.
No, he's going to slot back in. He knows better than to pick a fight this early in the race. Oh, and another spin. The 74 car goes around this time. Sal Weber.
That is in a really rough spot here.
Turned around in a blind spot. Car couldn't move, so I was like a sitting duck.
All right, Stevens along, broken away. White flag is in the air. One more lap to go here at Hallett. Tyler Stevens putting on a clinic here. Coming through smoothly with no problems and right to the checkered flag. Stevens with the win, Long was second. Glanger across the line in third.
You stand right here with me, Tyler. You know how to do this. You're no stranger. Tyler Stevens sweeps the weekend. Hoosier Racing Tire, SCCA Super Tour, Spec Racer 4 Gen 3 here at Hallett Motor Racing Circuit. Take that top step.
Very meaningful track for me. It's where I started racing cars, and so I was like 3 years old with Scott. He's helped me a lot through here, so it's always awesome.
Opa! iPads love sparkling wine.
Hey, you're gonna have to do that in loop mode. And just so two is natural push, right? So Shelby. When I see kids out here riding around on motorcycles, it makes them smile. Because I grew up at the racetrack, and I want other kids to be able to grow up at the racetrack and have a great time.
And the kids out here, that's the next generation. And if this stops, there's nowhere for them to practice, to become great race car drivers. They need a highly technical, affordable track to train on and build their skills.
He's going to come to Hallett, Oklahoma to take a Super Tour win. He gets the job done coming in next to Carter. This is the type of place where people cut their teeth. This is the type of track that the SCCA was born upon. If you're having problems with your racetrack, give the Stevens a call and ask them what they're doing.
And as long as places like Hallett remain, grassroots racing will always have a home.
I just want it to be a racetrack. I want everybody to be able to come here and
experience Hallett.